Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the device into airplane mode to cut radio interference, then immediately re-enable Wi-Fi. This lets you use onboard networks safely. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on for some in-flight services. Open the Flight Mode app now and sign in with your account so credentials are cached. You do this because the app negotiates with the aircraft portal. Caching speeds the next steps. Keep notifications off to avoid interruptions while the app connects. With Wi-Fi active, choose the airline network from the list. It often shows the carrier name or flight ID. Once connected, you land on a captive portal, accept terms and log in or enter a voucher code. Use the app's Quick Connect button if available. It automates token exchange and payment steps. If prompted for payment, complete the transaction in the app to avoid opening the browser. You do this because the app streamlines authentication and maintains. Once connected, verify access by loading a small web page or sending a quick message. This confirms DNS and gateway are working. If pages won't load, toggle Wi-Fi off then on, or force quit and reopen the Flight Mode app to refresh tokens. Make sure airplane mode remains enabled the whole time. Changing it can drop the authentication. If authentication still fails, re-enter the voucher or ask cabin crew for assistance. Often a simple retry or new code fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.